What's up, Hardies, and welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. You will keep up with, anything that I'm pretty much doing in the day, or what I'm eating, or anything. We could keep up with each other and y'all could get to know me even better. So go ahead and look in the description below. You'll find direct links to my Instagram, my Facebook. That's about it. That's about the only two that I really go on, Instagram and Facebook. So I posted the picture that's in the thumbnail of this twist out that I did. And this twist out, this twist out was bomb. Like, right now it's a little bit, I could probably still rock it. It still have a little bit of something to it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much take it out and do it over. The product I used to achieve this look is I pretty much just washed my hair, and then when my hair was like soaking wet, I took this Cantu Define and Shine custard and I passed it on it, and then I twist it. But you see, she was looking cute. But the thing with this Cantu, which is probably why I don't use Cantu normally, because Cantu, it flakes up a lot, a lot. Like, the hair was looking bomb, but then it was flaking. Like, I'm talking cornflakes all over my floor, all on my shirt, all on my neck, all on my face. This was flaking up really bad. Okay, really bad. So I said I'm not going to put any more of this product in my hair, because I already have a whole bunch in my hair. But what I am going to do is I'm going to wet it, and y'all know my detangle finished, guys. So I just went ahead and put a little bit of water in there. Like, it was up to hair, and then I just went ahead and add like a bunch of water in it. So it's still going to do the same thing. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I can come up close so y'all could see. You see the white stuff? Like, I mean, it was flaking really bad, but the results though, flake or no flake, the results were bomb. Like, the results was like, I was in the mirror and all that. Y'all, you looking right, your hair on fleek. Yes, so I mean, the results were bomb, but it was flaky. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a small section at a time. And I have my olive oil shine extra virgin hair polish. I have that. I'm going to wet my hair and detangle it with my brush, and then spray a little oil on it, and then go ahead and twist it. And we're going to see the results. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it really good. Spray it really good. See, like, I could feel, probably I put too much product too, I don't know. When you want to make sure that the hair come out looking bomb, you end up putting too much product. So I probably put too much product, but then my experience with Cantu is like every Cantu product I have used before, it flakes up. That's just the reality of these Cantu products. Okay, so I went ahead and I detangle it. You see, it's like so easy to detangle. get the oil. My hand's slippery. Okay. Okay. And then I am going to twist it. So that's pretty much the size of my twist that I did initially. This is the size. Then I'm just going to take each section at a time. It shrinks up really bad, but then your girl hair really long. Look at this. Like, it's long, but it just shrinks up so bad. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest.
Stay shining, shining, shining clean. Every day she goes out, people look and bow down. She raised my queen. She raised and Knoxville, raised in California. She raised in Atlanta, raised down in Florida. She the queen, she be reigning. She the queen, she be reigning. She be reigning, 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 she be reigning. She raised in Knoxville.
Guys, what this product, I mean, even with the flakes that it produces, I want y'all to see what it does to my hair. So right now, I'm pretty much trying to take out some of the product because I probably used too much. The reason why it left all those flakes in my hair. So I'm going in and I'm just trying to, like, look at this. Look at this. Y'all see this? This is what it's doing. It's making the curls pop. It's really doing that. So that's why this twist out came out so bomb, because with this product and like a good amount of water, it really does wonders.
Out a magazine.
Okay, y'all, so I'm pretty much done, and this is how my hair is going to end up looking. And then I'm just going to tie it down and then go to bed and sleep. And tomorrow I will take it down and show you guys how cute this twist out is going to come out. I already know that it's going to be bomb because I just know. You know, you just have a feeling when you know that the hair is going to be bomb. So I already know it's going to be bomb. My twists are jumbo, juicy, wet, and curly, and I just feel like tomorrow when it's completely dry and I take it down, it's going to do it for me. So see you guys tomorrow.